The Crisis of 9 lesson teaches the rule that each place value category cannot have more than 9. Once we have 10 in a place value category, we must exchange for one group in the next higher place value category. I have 9 unit beads here. When I add a 10th bead, I know this is the same as one group of 10. I must exchange these 10 loose units for one group of 10. 10 can't stay loose, we like to say. When I have 9 groups of 10 and I add a 10th group, I know 10 tens is the same as 100. We'll exchange 10 tens for 100. When I have 9 groups of 100 and I add a 10th group, that is 1,000. I will exchange 10 100s for one group of 1,000.